give me that.
Yo, dog. I basically one Bulla and a dog.
Worry yourself, man. You finish it.
Keisha, who did they bus stop with yesterday? You think we never know say I'm money?
Yo, man, I think Bulla dog. Yo, Bulla team boy, stop for a bus up here with that big stone.
Poor man have a chop you up like mincemeat like a teeth in boy.
Which we wanna talk about?
Yo, dog. I don't eat the Bulla them and you come try trick with man.
Dog, I lie the man I tell. Yo, dog, take your ratchet out of your pocket.
Which Bulla that? Me I leave us out the last piece of Bulla them, you hear that?
Yo, dog, we have a sharp shooter and I bus ready for bust here for China.
So you just better you give me Bulla in a youth. That me I tell you, you know.
Which bush that? I'm just shitting now.
Yo, Sean, you have a shoes?
No, you know dog, how what?
Yo, just watch your steps in.
So, yo, dog, you wash off your name before you touch your Bulla?
Yeah, man, if you man nasty boy, you.
Yo, what is?
Yo, blouse and skirt, I'm stepping a shit in on my yacht. I'm gone on my yard now, dog. As I say, I'm going to leave us out the last Bulla them.
I 2 against 1 and you're mad if that happen. You're mad.
Yo, dog, you know say you're craving though. Every time we link up for buy Bulla, you always want to take the bigger piece.
Dog, me bigger, so me take the bigger piece.
That's why I'm link up with Fabi so we can thief the Bulla.
You link up with Fabi to thief the Bulla them from me. Me link up with Fabi to thief the Bulla them from me.
What?
You think me never say you pre on my side the Bulla them big?
You think me never say you, say me did a pre or your side of the Bulla big?
You think me never say you, say me, say me, say you, say me a pre or you a pre say my side the Bulla them big?
Yo, another Bulla the man I eat.
Yo, Fabi, you remember when you shot a $5 dog for buy bag juice them? And who make you up with the $5? And me have to share Bulla them with.
Yo, who did fella go shop? And me have to share the Bulla them with.
Epic, what you talking about? Ask if you $5 not give a high five people get, you know. Never see a man mean say it, you know. And touch. No bother with it. After you look at the $5 now, you follow me go shop. You travel Miss Booby man dog, the dog bite me up. All know me physically the dog bite them. What you talking about?
You have to big stone. What's up here? And you chop the machine.
Yeah, fling it and never run down and chop him.
Sure you want to do that? You sure you want to stab me? You know who me?
Sure you want to stab yourself? Bombard!
What kind of hobby man thing I go on here, sir?
Me are you.
So hold on. Fabi, Taj and Taja Fabi. And who thief the Bulla them? What do you think you can't trick me? How much was that?
Dude. Man, them gone. How that Bulla? Yeah, I say. Yo, big up yourself in a Taj.
LonewolfFilmz.